Very good morning, students. Our learning topic is probability. So from that today I am going to explain very important questions. Listen there. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. How many dice? Two dice are rolled simultaneously and counts are added. Complete the following table. Here, what is the event? Sum on two dice. Sum on two dice. So that is the event. Here, how many dice? Two dice are rolled. Already we know when two dice are rolled. When two dice are rolled, total possible outcomes. We will get 36 possible outcomes. When two dice are rolled simultaneously, we get 36 possible outcomes. What are that? See, we can take 1, 1 and also 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. So with 1 there are 6 chances. With 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6. Next 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 4, 6. Next 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4 and 5, 6. Next 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3 and 6, 4 and 6, 5 and 6, 6. So there are 36 possible outcomes when two dice are rolled. So here, what is the event? Sum on two dice. Sum on two dice. To get sum 2. For example, from this, by adding two numbers, by adding a pair, which is giving to 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Still, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So, out of the all 36 pair, 1, 1 is only giving result. So, here only one favorable outcome, that is 1, 1. So, N of P means number of favorable outcomes, 1. N of S means total possible outcomes, 36 is equal to 1 by 36. Next sum as 3. Here we have chances 1, 2 and also 2, 1. How many chances? 2 chances. Total possible outcomes 36 is equal to 2 by 36. Next sum as 4. See here. 1, 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Next 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Next 3, 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So there are 3 chances. What are the 1, 3, 2, 2 and also 3, 1. So total 3 chances. So number of favorable outcomes are 3 and total possible outcomes are 36 is equal to 3 by 36. We can cancel here. 3 ones are 3 12s are is equal to 1 by 12. Next to get sum as 5. Sum as 5 means 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2 and also 4 comma 1. So there are 4 chances. 4 and 36 is equal to 4 by 36. Next to get sum as 6. 1 comma 5, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 5 comma 1. So there are 5 chances. 36 is equal to 5 by 36. Then after to get sum as 7. 7 means with 1 comma 6 chance there. With 2 comma 5. With 3 comma 4. With 4 comma 3. With 5 comma 2. With 6 comma 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 chances. 36 is equal to 6 by 36. Probability of an event is equal number of favorable outcomes by total possible outcomes. Here number of favorable outcomes are 6 and total possible outcomes are 36. So probability of the event is 6 by 36. Next to get sum as 8. With 1 there is no chance. To get sum as 8 with 1 there is no chance. Why? Because 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. But 7 not there on the top of the dice. Top of the face of the dice. So with 2 comma 6, with 3 comma 5, with 4 comma 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, with 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, with 6 comma 2 is equal to 8, 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 chances and total possible outcomes are 36 is equal to 5 by 36. Next to get sum as 9. With 1 there is no chance. Why? Because 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 8 not there on the top of the face of the dice. With 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 7 also not there on the face of dice. With 3 comma 6, 5 comma 4, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 4 and also 6 comma 3. 1 2 3 4 there are 4 chances. 36 is equal to 4 by 36. So up to 9 I explained. So remaining 10 11 12 13 try to complete that. Here is next question. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability 5 will not come up either time? What is the probability? First question, 5 will not come up either time. It means by throwing a dice, I didn't want 5 on top of the dice of the face. Next, 5 will come up. Second condition, I need 5 on the face of the dice. In first condition, I didn't want 5 on the top of the face of the dice. Next, 5 will come up. I need 5 on the face of the dice. So already we know 2 dice are rolled or 1 dice rolled twice. We will get 36 outcomes. So there are the 36 outcomes. So from the table, okay, now what is the first question here? First question, 5 will not come up either time. So I didn't want 5 on the top of the face. It means from this total possible outcomes, which pair is giving 5? Remove that pairs here. So in this pair. So this one remove this. And also 1 comma C, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. So remaining. So here what I want? 5 will not come up. It means from the pairs which are giving 5, remove that all pairs. So after removing that, how many pairs are removed here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 pairs are removed. It means number of favorable outcomes n of e is equal. So from the 36, 11 pairs are removed. Why? Because 11 pairs are showing 5 is equal to 25. So from the 36 pairs, 25 pairs are not giving 5. P of e is equal to n of e by n of s is equal 25 by 36. What about the second question? 5 will come up at least one time. At least one time. In first condition, I removed all pairs which are showing 5. But in second condition, I need pairs which are showing 5. So how many pairs here? See here. First, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, and also 6, 5. Next, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5. Already I wrote. Okay. 5, 5. Very good. 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 pairs are showing 5. N of e is equal to 11. Then P of e is equal to n of e by n of x is equal to 11 by 36. According to first question, I didn't want 5 on top of the pairs. So here 25 pairs are not giving 5. Here 11 pairs are only giving 5. Here today's homework. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability to get same numbers on two faces and to get different numbers on two faces?